I have already opened PyCharm IDE, which is widely used as a code editor for Python. So let's start our topic, which is how to create a variable and assign values to them. First of all, what is variable? Variable in Python refers to an object or element in memory. Variable in a Python is uniquely identified by a name, which is identifier obviously. So to create a variable in Python, all you need to do is specify a variable name and then assign a value to it like this. A is variable name, then assignment operator, and then value. Python uses assignment operator to assign value to variables. There is no need to declare a variable in advance. Assigning a value to a variable itself declares and initializes the variable with that value. Now let's see some few examples. Suppose B, some floating values. Let's see some strings. Let's print it and see what happens. Okay, you can see the results in the little terminal window, which is 3.2.7 name. Okay, I have printed twice. Both the value is same. Okay. Now let's see. We can also create some boolean values like true. We can create none type also. While creating boolean value, you must make sure that the first letter must be in capital letter, and same for the none type. Let's print it and see what happens. To run the program, I'm using shortcuts. You can go on the top and click run and then main. You can run by this, or you can also use shortcuts. Okay, as you can see, true and none, it has printed on the screen. Now let's see something else. We can also assign multiple values to multiple variables in same values, like let's print and see what happens. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 as an output. Down here we can also assign single value to multiple variables simultaneously. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, 111 printed on the screen. When using this cascading assignment, note that all the three variables refers to the same object in the memory, an int object with the value 1. Let's see some list object, how to create list object. I'm creating two list variables and assign them a list object. Let's print and see what happens. Okay. Okay, you can see here down here in the terminal window it has printed X and Y on the screen. Let's create some nested list. Nested lists are also valid in Python. This means a list can contain another list as an element. Let's see how. Okay, I have created a nested list, and inside a nested list there is another list. This is, let's print it and see what happens. Okay, you can see here down here nested list has been printed on the screen. You can see down here nested list has been printed on the screen. Now I want to print only one x of 0 index, the value which is at x of 0. Let's see what happens. Okay, 1 at the 0 index, 1 at the 1 index, that is 2, and at the x of 2 index there is another list which is 4, 5, 6. If we want to print the first element of the inside list which is 4, then how we print it, let's see. Okay, the first element of the inside list which is inside is printed over here, which is 4. 2, x of 2 means the inside list which is at index of 2, and inside the list variables in Python do not have to stay the same type as which they were first defined. You can simply use assignment operator to assign a new value to multiple variable. Variables in Python do not have to stay the same type as which they were first defined. You can simply use assignment operator to assign a new value to a variable, even if that value is of different type. For example, let's see some example. For example, I have create a variable to and assign an integer value to it. Okay, here 2 is printed. Now if I want to assign a new value to this variable, a is equal to, suppose, a string value new, and I will print it. Let's run it. New value is printed on the screen.